Why is the price of HBAR falling? What's next for HBAR? We will discuss these questions and other news in today's video. Welcome to the Crypto Keeper channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are interested in everything around HBAR. Let's talk about why the price of HBAR is falling. First, broader market risk-off spillover. The move aligns with a cautious macro backdrop. Recent inflation data dampened rate cut hopes, leading to 2 days of net outflows from U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs totaling about $250 million. This pressured Bitcoin and created a risk-off tone that weighed on altcoins like HBAR. HBAR's decline is more about general crypto sentiment than a coin-specific problem. Second, low liquidity amplifying the move. HBAR's 24-hour trading volume fell over 40% to $50.55 million. This thin liquidity can magnify price moves, making the asset more susceptible to selling pressure even without large orders. Drop was exacerbated by a lack of buying interest to absorb sells, not necessarily by aggressive new selling. And finally, near-term market outlook. HBAR is testing a crucial Fibonacci swing low at $0.091. The immediate pivot is at $0.093, with the 7-day simple moving average at $0.096, acting as initial resistance. The structure is bearish, but nearing a major support level. Holding $0.091 is critical to avoid a deeper correction. And let's talk about technical indicators and signals. HBAR momentum indicators are painting a weak picture. While RSI is at the 42.85 level under neutral pressure, MACD is giving sell directional signals with a negative histogram. The price trading below EMA20 confirms the short-term bearish trend. HBAR is currently consolidating at the $0.09 level, with the overall trend structure indicating clear bearish dominance. Daily candle closes are supported with low volume, minus 1.4% change, and the 24-hour range is narrowing, limiting volatility. In terms of momentum, the RSI 14 period is positioned at 42.85 in the neutral zone, but selling pressure continues. The MACD indicator is giving a bearish signal. The histogram is in the negative zone and trading below the signal line, confirming momentum weakening. EMA ribbon dynamics also show trend strength in favor of bears. Since the price is below EMA20, $0.10, the short-term trend can be classified as bearish. The super trend indicator is also in bearish mode and highlighting the $0.11 resistance. Volume is at low levels of $30.76 million. This indicates that momentum is advancing without volume confirmation and signaling a possible consolidation. In multi-time frame MTF confluence, 11 strong levels have been detected. 1 day with 3 supports, 1 resistance, 3 days with 2 support, 1 resistance, and 1 W with 2 support, 4 resistances distribution, overall pointing to a resistance-weighted upper framework. This structure confirms that momentum is under downward pressure, but reaction buys may come as support levels approach. The RSI 14 period is currently at the 42.85 level and positioned in the neutral zone between 30 to 70, indicating it is away from oversold conditions. While the price has recently flattened in the 0.09 to 0.10 band, no clear regular divergence is observed in RSI. The hidden bullish divergence signal remains weak as RSI stays at similar levels despite the price making lower lows. Remnants of the regular bearish divergence seen in previous weeks suggest that momentum may continue in the selling direction. If RSI breaks below the 40 support, momentum could weaken further. Conversely, a recovery toward 50 could bring short-term relief. This neutral RSI, unsupported by volume, emphasizes that trend strength is diminishing but not strong enough to change direction. Momentum, outcome and expectations. The synthesis of momentum indicators paints a bearish picture. RSI under neutral pressure, MACD giving sell signals with negative histogram expansion. EMA ribbon confirming the bearish trend. Supports are concentrated at $0.091, $0.087, and $0.072 levels, while resistance at $0.0959 stands strong. The bullish target at 0.12 is distant, while the bearish at 0.055 appears more likely. Without volume increase, momentum change will remain limited. MTF resistances dominate the upper framework. In the short term, the $0.0913 support is critical. If held, consolidation. If broken, bearish momentum accelerates. In the long term, BTC correlation and volume confirmation will be decisive. Momentum confluence sustains sell-side pressure. Do you think HBAR will reach $1 this year? Disclaimer: this video does not pressure you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, share your thoughts on HBAR in the comments, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you can get notified every time we post a new video.